Latest in Greyhound Fieldnotes, API-first architectures, and AI trust pressures in a U.S. bank. For the uninitiated, Greyhound Fieldnotes are insights based on advisory engagements that Greyhound Research delivers to enterprise clients across the globe, capturing the technology and business decisions leaders are making in real time. The client. Country, United States. Industry, vertical, financial services. Roles, Group CIO, Chief Digital Officer, Head of Product Innovation. Engagement type, private advisory and boardroom strategy session. Company size, $25 billion-$30 billion in annual revenue. Nationwide retail and corporate banking footprint. Technology budget, $750 million-$1.2 billion annually. Topic of inquiry. How should our digital transformation strategy evolve to reflect rising customer expectations around instant, personalized financial services? The inquiry. We've modernized our core, invested in open banking, and piloted GenAI use cases, but customer expectations keep shifting faster than we can respond. How can we future-proof our approach to digital service delivery? The question came amid a broader reset of customer experience benchmarks in U.S. retail banking, particularly following aggressive fintech competition and evolving consumer digital fluency. Recent developments in the market, where financial institutions are publicly touting AI and API-first platforms to meet customer needs, have triggered both board-level interest and a heightened urgency to act. Board members are asking why, despite sizable investments, the bank's customer satisfaction scores remain flat. The CIO flagged growing pressure to demonstrate not just AI adoption, but measurable experience uplift, personalization, speed, transparency, and trust. Greyhound Standpoint. Greyhound Research sees this inquiry as part of a wider pattern of digital redefinition in regulated industries, where the fusion of AI and API infrastructure is no longer optional. It's existential. According to the Greyhound CIO Pulse 2025, 64% of banking CIOs across North America report that their top digital transformation mandate has shifted from internal efficiency to external responsiveness. What used to be an IT-led priority is now a customer-owned benchmark. Notes from another Greyhound Fieldnote confirm this shift. A German bank undergoing a core transformation to support real-time credit scoring and embedded lending told us, "Our customers don't care about our systems. They care about not having to apply twice." Insights drawn from a separate Greyhound Fieldnote echo this concern. A large UK-based retail bank recently embedded an AI model within its car dispute resolution workflow. The model's purpose wasn't cost savings. It was to prevent customers from feeling ignored. Our success metric isn't just faster resolution, it's fewer callbacks. Greyhound Advisory. At Greyhound Research, we believe banking's digital advantage now lies in real-time composability, not legacy integration. CIOs must stop treating APIs as plumbing and start treating them as products, designed for discoverability, reuse, and measurable customer impact. Our guidance to CXOs is fivefold. 1. Collapse the walls between customer-facing and operational APIs. The best banks now measure API success not by uptime, but by customer outcomes enabled per call. Bring business and engineering together around common service metrics. 2. Deploy AI to elevate, not replace service. Think micro decisions, not mega models. Focus AI efforts on moments that reduce friction or signal care, payment reminders, fraud nudges, or contextual help, not just large-scale automation. 3. Treat digital trust as a design feature. Transparency in how AI decisions are made and giving customers the ability to dispute or override will increasingly define reputational value, not just regulatory compliance. 4. Re-architect for modularity. Adopt event-driven, composable architectures that allow rapid assembly of new experiences from existing capabilities. This isn't just a technology play. It's how banks remain culturally agile. 5. Shift the narrative from speed to relevance. Customers don't want faster banking. They want smarter, contextual, needs-based banking. AI plus APIs are only valuable if they adapt in near real time to customer context. If this sounds familiar, if this is a conversation already happening in your boardroom, or one that's been circling without resolution, let's talk. We at Greyhound Research are advising technology leaders across banking and financial services on how to navigate this emerging convergence of AI model maturity and API monetization. Reach out if you'd like to explore what a resilient, customer-first transformation strategy could look like for your organization. Or simply share this note with a peer, client, or partner who you think needs to read it. These aren't just digital architecture decisions anymore. They're decisions about your institution's credibility and your customers' trust. Analyst in focus, Sanchit Gogia. Sanchit Gogia, or SVG as he is popularly known, is a globally recognized technology analyst, innovation strategist, digital consultant, and board advisor. SVG is the chief analyst, founder and CEO of Greyhound Research, a global, award-winning technology research, advisory, consulting, and education firm. Greyhound Research works closely with global organizations, their CXOs, and the board of directors on technology and digital transformation decisions. SVG is also the founder and CEO of the House of Greyhound, an eclectic venture focusing on interdisciplinary innovation. Copyright policy. All content contained on the Greyhound Research website is protected by copyright law and may not be reproduced, distributed, transmitted, displayed, published, or broadcast without the prior written permission of Greyhound Research or, in the case of third-party materials, the prior written consent of the copyright owner of that content. You may not alter, delete, obscure, or conceal any trademark, copyright, or other notice appearing in any Greyhound Research content. We request our readers not to copy Greyhound Research content and not republish or redistribute them, in whole or partially, via emails or republishing them in any media, including websites, newsletters, or intranets. We understand that you may want to share this content with others, so we've added tools under each content piece that allow you to share the content. If you have any questions, please get in touch with our community relations team at connect@thofker.com.